Hello and welcome to Parrot's training videos for the AnafiAi. In this video we'll walk through the Free Flight 7 download and take a look at the Parrot Cloud. Let's begin. With the Apple Store open, type in the search bar Free Flight 7 and press search. Open the Free Flight 7 application. Press the download button. Then press open. With the app downloaded, you'll be asked to agree to the terms of use. Next, you'll want to log into your Parrot Cloud account. You can either create a new account or log into an existing one. Once logged in, you'll be brought to the HUD of the Free Flight 7 app. Press on the boxes in the top left-hand corner to go to the home screen. Welcome to the dashboard of the Free Flight 7 application. Here we can do a lot of things. Let's start by looking at our profile by selecting the box in the top left corner. From our user profile, we can set our name, email, and even put in our pilot number if we so desire. Let's take a look at the right-hand side. We can log into our Pix4D cloud account to upload pictures directly from the aircraft to our account. To do so, select Pix4D, press connect, and then log in. Let's quickly talk about data sharing. In data sharing, you can full share with Parrot, which will allow you to access the Parrot Cloud. Here you can store your flight logs, flight plans, and help Parrot improve our products. Or you can enter into private mode where only you have access to your data. Either way is fine with Parrot. Let's take a look at the advantages of the Parrot Cloud. Exiting to the main dashboard, we can select on the flight logs. Here we can store, save, and see all of our flights and how they were executed. We can see that our logs are all synchronized by looking in the top right hand corner. We also can see any executed flight plans that we have completed previously. Clicking on the projects, we have the ability to see our flight plans and our photogrammetry missions if we would like to edit, modify, delete, or update. You should now have the Free Flight 7 app downloaded and be logged into your Parrot Cloud account. You may also be logged into your Pix4D account. We're going to take a look in depth at Free Flight 7 in the next video. So stay tuned. Thanks for tuning in to Parrot's training videos for the AnafiAi.